powerful winter nor'easter, the first storm of 2014, has dumped more than a foot of snow in some places on Cape Cod since last night, although there have been few reports of car accidents or power outages in the region as of noon on Friday, January 3rd. Ferocious winds have been blowing around 30 miles an hour today, and that has caused some treacherous driving conditions. The wind-driven storm has limited visibility significantly on the roads, and officials are urging people to use extreme caution if they must drive. Plow crews have been working since the early morning hours around the Cape to clear the roads, like this scene here in Marston's Mills. The most concern is coming from Sandwich, where officials are worried that the noon high tide may cause ocean water to rush over land, causing erosion and coastal damage. You can see from this video that the water was getting dangerously close to the stairs at Town Neck Beach in Sandwich shortly before noon today. Stay tuned to CapeCodOnline.com for complete storm coverage.